everyone, JaLingo's word of the week is Pree, or why Pree. This means to examine or to investigate. Other meanings are to take notice of something, to pay close attention to, or to observe. You may hear this in a scenario such as this. Yo, Pree the girl there, she look goodie. And that simply means, hey, check that girl out. She looks gorgeous. A second example, the suit cleaning man, weird girl ever Pree when you touch the club. And this means your suit looks very neat. You will get all the attention of the girls when you step into the club. Related words, hoop on, look on, to watch, or why Pree, which also means what's the motive. Why Pree means what's going on or what is the plan for later. You may hear this in a scenario such as, why Pree, not touch road later? And that means what's going on. Are you guys going anywhere later? Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.